How to fix Snapchat support code SS07 error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website like Down Detector. Then check the server of Snapchat. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Or what you can do is switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, check for the updates for the app Snapchat. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, what you can do is use your Snapchat in the web version. For that, you can launch your preferred browser and then navigate to the website of Snapchat, type in snapchat.com and then search for it. Then go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account and check whether it works on website or not. Next up, what you want to do is completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Snapchat, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat and then download it. With the solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.